Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and demo import free Royal Elementor Kit theme. It's the best alternative for Astra theme. It is having more than 70 plus built-in Elementor template kit. You can see the kits here. So without wasting time, let's see how to install and demo import of a gym trainer template. First go to your WordPress dashboard, click appearance, then click themes, then click add new theme. In the search bar, search for Royal Elementor Kit. Okay, this is the theme we have to install. So let's click install, then click activate. Okay, now the theme is installed and activated. So let's start the importation of the starter templates. So click get start with templates. So it's installing the template kit library. Now click allow and continue. Okay, now you can see the templates of Royal Elementor Kit. So here it shows the premium and free versions. So let's click the free versions. Okay, now there are so many free versions available. So let's install and import the fitness gym template. So click the template. Here you can see home, about, gallery, classes, pricing, review, trainers, context. So those pages are available. So if you want, before installation you can do a preview. So click preview demo. You can see the contents here. If you click the contact page, you can see the contact form with the department options. Okay, so let's click import templates kit. Click OK. Okay, it will take couple of minutes depending on your internet speed and the hosting space. Okay, once the importation is done, you will get the message import was successful and step 4 import finished, visit site. So let's click visit site. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. You can see the about page. So it's very nice theme. So let's come back to the home page. So if you want to edit the home page, this edit with Elementor. Click this continue. So here you can visually edit each content. If you're familiar with the Elementor, it's very easy. You can visually edit all the contents of the pages. All pages are developed using the Elementor builder, so it's very easy. So if you want to edit the header and footer, that's also easy. So let's come back to the dashboard and here go to Royal Addons and click Theme Builder. So in the Theme Builder, you can see the header and here you have the edit template. So once you click edit template, you can see now the header parts is editable. So once you click this logo, you can edit the logo and other parts, and menu items you can change the menu color and those kinds of things you can do. And when click footer, again click edit template, this fitness gym footer, edit template. Here you can see this is the footer part, so you can edit each content visually. Again come back, and if you want to edit the archive part, you can edit archive search, category, tags, blogs, kind of things. And when you click single, you can edit the single post, single page, those kind of things. If you are using the WooCommerce or shop theme, you can edit the product single. So those kind of things you can do easily. So this is the best alternative for Astra theme. So if you want more customization, we will create another video. So please subscribe our channel and keep in touch. Thank you very much.